Alright, hey everybody, I think this thing's on. I'm down at the river today. I thought I'd give you a quick explanation of what is going on. We have a new incentives program. I'm doing it down from the river today because I get so tired of being inside. And I don't want to be inside today. But anyway, we have a new incentive program. So everybody on my team, I'm going to send this out to. So not only do we have the performance club bonuses, not only do we have the level up bonuses, but now basically there's rewards for every time you hit a new level. And the faster you hit it, the more you get. So in other words, a senior associate to manager, if you can advance that within 30 days, they're going to give you an extra $300. If you make from manager to senior manager, they're going to advance you an extra $400 within 60 days. Senior manager director, advance within 60 days, they're going to give you $800. Director to senior director, within 30 days, they're going to give you $1,000. Senior director to executive director, advance within 30 days, $2,500. And if you maintain executive director for 3 months, and you're already at executive director, but you maintain that for 3 months, they're going to give you $2,500. Now, there are rules to this, and I'm going to send this out to everybody, and you all should have got it. So this is on top of the Performance Club. This is on top of going to Atlantis. This is on top of everything else. What I'm trying to do right now is to let you know you need to get in your back office and take a look at this. I'm going to send this video out to everybody so that you know there are incentives to keep moving forward. Send them over to me. You get 100% of the commission, okay? Just send the people over to me. I will get them all signed up for you. I will talk to them for you, but the more we can do, the more your money you're gonna make. And I know you guys want money. So remember this, you have to help people first. You have to save lives first, okay? And then basically by helping people, then the company rewards you. Anyway, I wanted to get that out real quick, and I'm gonna put it on my phone too.